Translating Risk from Operations to the Boardroom by Jillian L. Hamilton. Safety really is the new big. For culture to have its best strength, we must engage and work with all players in the marketplace. Investors, shareholders, organizations, workers, and customers together have a part to play and all have affects and effects from safe products, services, and activities at and from our work. In February 2020, our world changed instantly, and for the first time in many, many years, all over the globe, we took effect of the same challenge, COVID-19, the great leveler. As the pandemic took hold, reputation really started to matter. Customers, for the first time in years, deeply cared about their own safety, and our workers demanded a safe workplace, and our investors demanded that we provided it. People demanded safety trust. People needed to be assured they would be safe if they bought your products or used your services. Safety became critical with significant resulting financial impacts. If you didn't manage the risk of COVID-19, you simply could not operate. Suddenly, being a good corporate citizen in the sense of making sure you provided a safe place to work, visit, or a safe product or services deeply mattered. And organizations and nations really started to explore how safety would fit into the strategy and how to make their operations survive and even thrive in the pandemic environment. Defining the company purpose became key vital as customers, workers, and investors started to assess you on your performance on the matter of providing a safe environment. Stakeholders such as workers and customers started to have a very different seat at organizational tables around the world. Some stakeholder activists have emerged, and at this time, for organizations to get ahead of possible risks, it is really vital to live a safe purpose and culture. To understand safety governance, you need to understand corporate governance. Corporate governance is the oversight of an organization. It is the board work primarily. Management of an organization is anything that's conducted primarily by the CEO and any activities within the organization. Safety governance encourages a culture of ethical and legal responsibility and accountability for our organization's inputs and outputs. Our oversight encourages a focus on the impacts of our organization with intentions to ensure a safe workplace, safe products, safe services, and safety to anyone impacted by our work. It's important to understand who's normally involved in corporate governance so we can take the mind's eye to safety governance. These are all the players. The next thing we need to understand is that safety is actually a non-financial risk in the terms of corporate governance. After we understand that safety is a non-financial risk, we need to understand what is material risk to a business. And a material risk is one that could have an adverse impact on shareholder value and the legitimate interests of other stakeholders. Shareholders and stakeholders have become concerned with company culture, purpose, and vision for the safety of society, and safety has become material. Who is measuring our safety? At the moment, investors are measuring our safety, and they're deciding on access to working capital for your organizations. When financial experts such as rating teams around the world say that safety is the social license to operate, our stocks go up, and a society where people are not harmed by our wealth seems like a huge step closer. When we're translating non-financial risk to the boardroom, how is it done? There's a large matter of activities that are conducted in risk management in corporate governance. These are the aspects. There is challenges when we are translating non-financial risk to the boardroom. There is a series of challenges listed here. What is the solution? Safety is now material, so it's time for boards and corporate governance professionals to review their risks and adjust their approach to risk management and governance activities. Thank you for reviewing our safety poster from the Safety Governance Institute. I'm Jillian Hamilton, and I welcome you to join us at the Safety Governance Foundation, our not-for-profit, which is free to join and open for all members. Thank you.